Professor ke School Ba Nehu Chemistry Department Professor Shim neksngi ulaong. Ba ka Academic Council Jong ka University kam donya ka bor ban Shim rai Halor ka jing pentrei kam ke National Education Policy 2000 arpo. Haba ajin kren shikila pathai kubor ha IIM Shillong Professor Bes ubalongru udukot jong ka NEP 2020 Implementation Committee of Nehu ulaong ba ka kam jong ka Academic Council kadai tang ban ajing menjur ya ki kendon trekam ulaong shu ba ka Academic Council kam don ya ka bor ban pathai ka sarkar jilla lani ki college ki be so bat ka Nehu ban penlong ki jing kren hatu kala ani em ban pentrekam ya ki NEP Hakaway pat kaliang gi dukot jong ka committee kila ong bekla depen long katu kat ni kijing lang bat ka sarkar jilla bat ka principal council banyak kren halor kani kaman.
Because Vice Chancellor in that academic council meeting itself he clarified that implementation of NEP 2020 is not a matter of discussion in the academic council. He clarified in that meeting. So very rightly, because implementation, because we adopt a policy, sometimes that policy may not be implementable. It may so happen. So you will have to do a lot of homework to get it implemented. So that homework is done by the Vice Chancellor as he was delegated power by the Executive.
Director General of Police, Dr. L.R.